And some news just coming in, and this, of course, is the build-up to Aryan Khan's homecoming. The procedure to release Aryan Khan is going on. Jail official has told India Today that Aryan Khan is very happy. Talking to inmates inside, also jail official has told us that Aryan Khan will be released anytime between 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. is what we have picked up from our sources. Authorities within the Arthur Road jail where Aryan Khan has been launched.
देखिए हमारा प्रोसेस चालू हो गया है। प्रोसेस हमारा चालू हो गया, थोड़ा दूर हमारा प्रोसेस चालू हो गया है। 1 से 2 घंटा उसमें लगेंगे। उसके साथ जितने कैदी बाकी का बेल ऑर्डर आया है उसके साथ में उसको छोड़ा जाएगा। 10 से 12 बजे तक छूट जाएगी। जितना लोग ज्यादा रहेंगे उतना कंफर्मेशन के ज्यादा।
कैदी है सर, कितने कैदी हैं?
पता नहीं, देखना पड़ेगा।
11 बजे के बाद हम
रिलीज ऑर्डर मिल गए हैं। अभी उसको 10 से 12 बजे तक छोड़ा जाएगा। उसके साथ में जितने भी प्रिजनर रहेंगे उनको छोड़ा जाएगा। उसको अकेले।
Pankaj Upadhyay is giving us more details on that story. So we have a confirmation, Pankaj, that 10:30 to 11 o'clock a.m. and this is just procedural. It's a procedural delay. He will be out of jail. Just do tell us, is it now clear that Shah Rukh Khan indeed is going to be at the Arthur Road jail? What more can you tell us?
Sneha, first of all, the reaction, the official reaction that we got right now was from the jail superintendent, Nitin Vaichal. Now he has confirmed on record that the release orders have been received by the jail authorities here, and the processes, that the legal processes that have to be undertaken, that has already started. The official has also said that there are other release orders along with Aryans that are being processed, and it might take some time. He has also added that before noon time, Aryan Khan might come out, and he added that since there are a lot of release papers as well, that might take some time as well. So what the jail authorities here are emphasizing is that no special importance is being given to Aryan Khan's release orders, and that there is perfect parity, and that he is being treated equally like other inmates as well, and that release orders have been received and the procedural work has started. But what he has confirmed is that the process has started, and before 12 noon Aryan Khan could come out. And now as far as Shah Rukh Khan is concerned, realizing that his son might be free and might be released any time from the Arthur Road jail, he has left Mannat along, and we are also hearing that he is still meeting the legal team in a South Indian 5-star hotel. We are yet to get the confirmation as to which hotel exactly he is in, but we now have a confirmation that Shah Rukh Khan has left Mannat, and he is now meeting the legal team to understand the further formalities in a South Mumbai 5-star hotel. Whether he is going to come here at the Arthur Road jail to receive Aryan Khan, there's no clarity, because there's no confirmation either from Shah Rukh Khan's team or from the Mumbai police if they have received information, because I was talking to some of the senior officials here at the Arthur Road jail. They themselves maintain that they have no word